Hello, Henderson Warriors. I hope everyone is doing as well as can be expected during these crazy times. Today we are doing asynchronous learning. Now, some of you may ask, what exactly is asynchronous learning and what does it mean for you? It means that all information that are scheduled for this class via Zoom with me has been posted on your Schoology page for you to access when best suits your schedules. The reason being is that I will not be available during your scheduled class time to Zoom with you because of an away scheduled tennis match. As such, there are several items that you must complete when I'm not here. Number one, check your Schoology page to see what work you are responsible for. Number two, go to asynchronous learning folder. Watch a pre-recorded video or videos and complete items noted on the video. Finally, complete and submit your Google form for credit. By completing the form, you would have told me that you were in my class and did all the required work for today. As in the past, I'd like to share a screen with everyone on today's agenda so we all can be on the same page. Today's agenda are as follows. We are still operating on cycle 2. Today's date is Tuesday, September 29th, 2020. The temperature outside is about 72 degrees. As for equipment that you will need for this class, just like in the past, you will need your running, walking shoes. Please, no sandals or flip-flops. We certainly don't want anybody getting hurt. Be sure to wear comfortable clothing. As I mentioned before, it's about 72 degrees, so please dress appropriately for the weather. Hydration. I cannot emphasize enough about having plenty of hydration with you. More importantly, please be sure to have your smartphone, your Fitbit, your exercise app that you use to keep track of your workout. As for housekeeping items, these are the things that everyone needs to be aware of. Again, please check on Schoology page to find out when our next scheduled class Zoom meeting will take place, as well as your personal fitness log when it will be due. As for check-ins, please be sure to fill out the Google form, which I will also include in the asynchronous folder for you to fill out. Communication, please let me know if you need help by simply emailing me at this email address. Before you go out and start your activity today, please be sure to measure your resting heart rate. The way that you do that is very simple. All of you should know how to do this by now. To measure your heart rate, simply check your pulse. Place your index and your third fingers on your neck to the side of your windpipe. When you feel your pulse, count the number of beats in 15 seconds. And simply take that number and multiply by 4 to calculate your resting heart rate per minute. In addition to that, you will be required to record your exercise heart rate. The way you do that is very simple. Similar to the resting heart rate, halfway through your workout, simply take your index and your third fingers, feel the pulse in your carotid artery, count it for 15 seconds, take whatever number you have, multiply by 4. That will calculate your exercise heart rate per minute. The other way that you can do that is simply take 220 minus your age. That will give you your maximum heart rate. It's recommended that you work out anywhere between 55 to 90% of your maximum heart rate. An example that I have here is simply take 220 minus your age. In this situation, the student is 15 years old. 220 minus 15 will give you 205. And if this student were to be working at 60% of their maximum heart rate, this is the heart rate that they should be focusing on while they are exercising. Once again, be sure to take your heart rate in the middle and at the end of your workout. As for today's workout, we are going to be continuing with cardio workouts. We are going to be outside for 25 to 30 minutes. You want to choose one of the following activity below for your cardio workout. Again, please be sure to have your phone, your fitness app with you to track your workout, as you will be required to upload that information onto your fitness log as well as onto your Google form. There are 3 videos that I posted here. I believe you have seen this one. This is a video of me biking through Chester County. The first video is just an informational video on the different types of cardio workout. And the third video here under walking, it is me golfing with a few friends, which is another way for me to decompress and also just enjoy the beautiful day. Other items that can be done for this class, if you have an elliptical at home, you are more than welcome to do that for 25 to 30 minutes. Or you can simply just do rope jumping. Do it for 1 minute, take a minute off. Do it for another minute, take another minute off. See how many times you can actually jump in 1 minute without messing up your routine. Once again, I look forward to seeing everyone in our next Zoom meeting. Be well, stay safe, and have a wonderful day.